Look at him out there dying. Look at him just dying.
Laser. Love it.
Look at me dying. Look at me just dying.
No.
Laser. Cock, cock, cock.
That was rough. I thought I was gonna give me an easy little kill there. Third party him. Right, he's in the
Laser.
storm. He's
A Rev
panicking.
would not spawn, will he?
Rev will not spawn. No, I don't think he will.
Laser. Penis, penis.
No, I don't think so. Bless his soul. Everybody not everybody. I still get regulars out here from the Pokemon days. But those core people that I did have for a while,
Laser.
they're all gone.
I have not spoken to him in ages.
No. I think he was hurt by everything that I did, which it wasn't intended to hurt him. I think that's what it is. I think he was just hurt, which that sucks. Wasn't intended to hurt him, but I think it was unavoidable. But just kind of ended up being a situation where he felt like a liability, like a loose end, which was my fault for allowing it to get that expansive in terms of like who had their ladles and what 2SST is, what my stream is. Yeah. I think it all comes back to that people pleaser type thing. Right? Like, oh, they want to be around my stream, so I'll tolerate bullshit because, you know, who else is here, you know? And once I stopped really having that kind of mindset for it, it thinned out. Stop tolerating all the petty little bullshit from people, right? It kind of revealed who was out here and who had agendas. I think I'm alone now. Out here. Yeah, there's been a lot of people who were staples out here over the years that have